Almost got it. A friend from Jinan contacted me, said he found a very old classic car. I watched the video. I didn't recognize what kind of car he was at first glance. There's dirt all over your body. I thought it was a white car. It turned out to be a black 90s Cadillac Fleetwood. Although his appearance is a little worse, but the interior of this car is a red. I really like it. So I decided to take it back and let's go to Jinan. Drive a little seahorse and bring old Woody back to him. Let's go! Let's go! Over 300 kilometers, and it took me 4 hours to get there. My technology is really useless. Finally got there. In a particularly remote neighborhood, this old Cadillac was found in a particularly old warehouse. Same as video photo. The body is covered with a layer of white dust. Let's take a closer look. A thick layer of ash. I really can't tell what color car this is. The soil is so thick. This car has been around for a long time and the tires are flat. It was sold because the garage was going to be demolished. Overall, the steel bars of this car are still very good. Let's open the passenger's door and take a look at the interior. Hey, it's open. As in the photo, red interior. This seat, this color is it's all dirt. It's moldy and the leather is very hard. Go back and take good care of him. The dashboard of this car, the steering wheel carpet is all red. It's really beautiful, and the logo is really beautiful. Open the door. Look at this seat, it's moldy too. Look what I found. Latte flowers for wedding. It's brand new and unused, it's so festive. That's a good metaphor. Congratulations on your car. Look at the leather roof of the original car. No wear and tear at all. It means that this leather top has not been exposed to the sun. Let's take a look at the butt of the car again. The license plates and the logos are all there. That's him. Let's put the tire on him. Let's open the hood again to see how the engine is doing. This car is equipped with this V8 naturally aspirated single-point EFI engine. Displacement is 5.7 liters. The original owner said this car came in. Looking at the state of the engine, there should be no big problem. Hope it doesn't leak in this time. Okay, that's him. Anything counts. Before coming, I negotiated a price of 8,000 yen with the owner, successfully took him down, loaded the car, and took him home. This car hasn't been driven in over a decade. This rear wheel has exploded, I can't turn it, pull it up. Pull a little harder for you. Loading the car is very difficult. It took more than 2 hours to get it safely into the car. But in the end, he can be safely and completely loaded into the car. I'm really happy and excited. I feel that my efforts are worth it. All right, little Wood. Come home with me, haha. Let's go home and fuck him. Finally got home. Look at this broken Cadillac with dirt all over its body. Hope it doesn't leak in this time. Let's replace the ignition lock for him first. After working for a long time, the ignition lock cylinder was finally removed. Replace him with a brand new souvenir. Okay. After I actually installed it, put the steering wheel on him again. After the car keys are ready, let's give him the engine to dry first. Let's do the same thing first. Take Chen fried out of the engine compartment. Blow it all clean. Remove the air filter from it. Then take it down on YouTube and take it apart. Prevent dirty oil from entering the engine. Replace all the spark plugs with new ones for him. Put in 15 cc of oil. Since you want to fix this engine well, don't care about these spark plugs. Replace them all with new ones. This battery has been useless for so many years. Replace him with a new battery. Don't let this battery clip go through either. Replace it all for him. Check the oil again. This oil is not a big problem. Let's take a taxi first. Let's open the car and have a try. See if you can impress him. Ouch, but I'll return it. I'll go. Hey, now there is a reaction circuit inside. Then let's see if the meter is on. Hey, okay. Instrument display. 60,000 miles. How do you look now? There is no problem with this circuit. The meter display is normal. Let's get out of the car and have a try. See if you can impress him. Wow! Move. Turn, ha ha ha. It should be fine. Open the car and try it. Hope to work for him. Fix the old car well. It's never plain sailing. It's a taxi now, no fire. Let's check if there is any problem with the key splitter ignition module. Look at the inside of the cupping pot is burnt. What is the cause of this? Let's remove the distributor assembly and check it carefully. Finally took it apart. It must be the problem of the distributor assembly. The rust stone is particularly serious here. Luckily, I have it in stock. This is the distributor assembly for the second-hand dismantling car I bought for 300 yen before. Finally came in handy today. Install the ignition module for him. Just install the assembly in place for him. Put the divider cover on it. Plug the wire into it again. Let's get out of the car and have a try. See if there is any fire. The thread is installed. Let's type it to see if there is any fire. Hope fire. Hit. Ha 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 ha! Great, we have it in stock. Spray this walking to see if it can dry out this time. Hit. Goods, I'll go. You startled me. Small problem, turn the distributor a little bit. It's okay to turn the fire earlier. Hit. On the bus. Last name Lao Hei. Just record this one again and it's okay. I've been driving for a long time and I haven't got any gas. Knock on the fuel tank. There is a lot of oil in it. It means the gasoline pump must be broken. Let's disassemble the fuel tank for it. Replace the gasoline pump with it. Wow. The oil in here is so dirty. Let's clean the fuel tank together. Look at this gasoline pump is dead. We replaced him with a brand new gas pump. Install the oil pump on it. Just put the fuel tank on it again and it's okay. Okay, the gas road is fine. And put him on YouTube. Let's get ready to take a taxi. Let's try getting out of the car and taking a taxi. I'll tell you after 2 days of study. What do you have to do? Oops, I stepped on a lot of information. I want you to use this to get that. I'm telling you. We have to fight. Don't say anything, it's cow. Oh my god. Angry. The process is really enjoyable. Restart an old car that has been dusty for many years and cannot be started. Let's go. This process is really cool. The next day, the dirt on the glass is so thick. This car hasn't been showered in at least 20 years. Let's give it a good wash. The surface of the car is covered with white dust and some grease. Hard to clear. This car is going to be sent to the car wash to clean the interior and exterior. I have to charge you at least 800 yen. What an old compliment. Do it yourself. Besides, I have obsessive-compulsive disorder to wash out an old car that is so broken and dirty. How can this good thing be cheaper for others? You have to come by yourself. After washing the car, there's still a layer of dirt on the surface of this car that is difficult to remove. We can only polish it and throw it away. After 6 hours of unremitting efforts, finally got the surface of the car clean. See how this works. then put the wipers. China Net goes to the bid and installs it all. Look at this potential label. I bought it online for more than 300 yuan many years ago. I thought it was expensive. But look now. I think it's well worth the money. The middle net of the original car has been rusted very seriously. We have no other way. Just wipe it out a little bit. See how this works. What's next? Then put the oil filter. Replace all the antifreeze with it. This oil filter element doesn't work either. Luckily, I stock up too. Get him a new one! Just add the oil and antifreeze to him. I started to clean up the interior. Throw away all the useless things. Interior seat. The door panel is very dirty. It's moldy. Let's use foam cleaner to clean the interior. Clean all the door panels of the dashboard. Wow, this washes out really well. This interior is really beautiful. The red is really festive. After a few days of unremitting efforts, finally got this 9's Cadillac wood fixed. This is what this Cadillac looked like when it first arrived. It has been in the warehouse for many years. The whole body is covered with white ash. The seats inside are moldy and smelly. I used it for a few days. Restore it to its current hot state. Look at this car, really. Well, that's it for today. Drive it into my warehouse. Let's continue to work tomorrow.